Hello everyone, I hope you are well. Here are your instructions for today's lesson. Go ahead and go to peaceandloaf.co.uk or just type into Google Peace and Loaf Jesmond. This is one of my favourite restaurants, and as you can see, it looks pretty professional. Hopefully it doesn't look too dissimilar from your websites, or it won't look too dissimilar once you have finished. Let's have a scroll down. What is different about your current website and this website here? Well, I'm sure you do have some photographs here of the food that you're about to serve. I imagine this bar here is not dissimilar as well. You've got about your restaurant, the menus, the bookings. Don't worry if this isn't quite finished yet. We've still got plenty of time to finish it, but it is important that it does look something like this. You may have your logo up here, just as these guys have. You've probably got a contact page. So from the outset, your homepage may not look so different to this one. However, if you scroll down, have a look at this. These are all the awards that this restaurant has won. Now, your restaurant is a new restaurant, so maybe it may not have won as many awards as this, but wouldn't it be a good idea to attract people to your restaurant if you could pop some of these icons in? So you can either go ahead and copy and paste this particular awards bar here, or you could put any awards into your website, any awards that you like the sound of. So these are typically food websites or food awards. There's a Michelin guide there, there's a Hardin's guide there, the Good Food guide. Go ahead and just think about some of the things that you could pop onto your website. Anyway, that's a sidebar really to what we're going to do today, and that is really to try and get some testimonials for your website. So as you know, a lot of websites they have responses from their customers saying how good their food is, and Peace and Loaf is no difference here. It has a live Twitter bar here on the right hand side, so essentially it links to their Twitter account and you can see what they have been tweeting. Now, you probably don't have a tweet deck on your website yet, so what we're going to do here is we're going to create some fake tweets. So go on to a new tab. I want you to type in tweet template, and then scroll down, and you're going to go to this site called TweetGen. It's tweetgen.com. We're going to click onto here, and we are going to click onto the first bit here. And as you will see, this is a generator for tweets, for whatever tweets you want. So you can change the style of it, so you can go light, dim, or dark. And you can you can put a profile picture in there if you really want to. But I'm just going to quickly populate this, and I'll pop some fake credentials in here. The tweet content is the most important thing, so I'm going to put in OMG. The best food I have ever tasted. Awesome. Which sounds like a pretty standard tweet. And there you go. That's the tweet up there. And it looks like a real tweet. You could then go ahead and generate the image, or you can simply screenshot it. And once you've screenshotted it, it just turns into a JPEG that you can use at a later date or now. So your task for today is quite simple. Please generate for me, let's say 5 tweets of people who have been to your restaurant and loved your restaurant. Make 5 separate templates and save the JPEGs. You can either put them directly into your website, and that's absolutely fine if you want to put them straight into Wix, or you can just save them in another place, and you can access them at a different time. So in terms of evidence, all I need from you are the screenshots of your 5 fake tweets with your testimonials for your restaurant. That's all there is to do today. Hope you are all okay, and as usual, if you need any support, let me know.